You're thinking about starting a business in 2023, and maybe you have visions of sipping coffee in bed, opening up your laptop, and looking at all those commissions that came into your bank account the night before. Or perhaps you want to build a team of fun people and throw everything you've got into a startup, but then you start to think about all the sleepless nights and all the business headaches, and you're wondering, where do I even begin? What is a good business model for me? And how do I pick one that's going to be successful in 2023? Well, if those are your questions, you're in luck, because in today's video, I am going to cover 7 different types of businesses that you can start from scratch this year. So the first thing you want to consider when you're thinking about starting a business is, do you want to create passive income or active income? And you might be thinking, of course I want to create passive income. I want to sit on a beach with a book, sipping a drink with one of those little umbrellas in it, and just watch the money flow into my bank account. But here's the thing. You're either going to trade time for money or you're going to trade money for money. And so with active income, you're going to be doing some upfront work. You're going to be investing your time, your knowledge, your skills into building up your business and earning income. Or some of the business models I'll share with you today are where you can invest your money and then you can get a passive return on that. But if you're starting from scratch with $0, then you're probably going to be focusing on active income, at least in the beginning. So the first business we're going to talk about today is affiliate marketing. This is one of my absolute favorite ways to earn income. And it was especially relevant for me when I first got started, because you don't have to have a lot of skills in order to be a really good affiliate marketer. You're not creating courses, you're not running trainings, you don't have to be a really great marketer in order to point people and put people in front of things that they already want to buy. So affiliate marketing is simply you helping solve someone else's problem with a product. So here's the person, you're the middle person, here's the company, and the company is going to pay you a certain level of commission based on introducing the person to their products or their services. So the reason why I say you don't have to have a lot of knowledge and skills is because you can actually sell things that people are already looking for. Let's say you become an Amazon affiliate and people are already searching for toys, and they're searching for shampoo, and they're searching for dog food and everything else that Amazon carries, and books. And you're simply putting your links out there on social media, if you have an email newsletter, with friends, with family, and you're earning a commission for being that middleman. Now, that probably isn't going to earn you a ton of income, and you're probably going to want to build some skills. Maybe eventually you go on to want to do Amazon FBA, which means you're going to provide products that are fulfilled by Amazon. That's not something I do or get into, and so I'm not going to cover that in our video. But affiliate marketing really is just you going out there and finding people who have a need, and you can offer them a solution. So here are some of my actual favorite affiliate products. One of my favorite things to sell as an affiliate marketer is digital tools, training, and resources. And so if you haven't seen this video over on my channel about MyLeadSystemPro or MLSP, this has been one of my absolute favorite affiliate marketing products for the last 5 years. The reason is that this program offers training and coaching and tools for other online marketers. So who got rich during the gold rush? Well, it was the people that were selling the picks and the shovels to those that were looking for gold. And that's pretty much what MyLeadSystemPro does. It sells the training and it sells the tools that all online marketers need in order to be successful. So while I was learning how to grow and build a business online, I was coming across a lot of people who were also struggling with that as well. And I simply shared this tool and this product with them, and then I got to earn a commission on the back end. And over time, they've developed their tools. So they have a business center that includes a funnel builder and a place to house courses, which is something that a lot of coaches and consultants are looking for in their business. And if you can become an affiliate and connect those people with the tools that they're already looking for, you can earn a very nice residual income over time. And one of the best parts is you can earn up to 50% commissions from these tools. So whereas Amazon, you're probably only getting maybe 10% for the products at most, you can earn 50% commissions on a lot of digital tools and really make some pretty significant income over time. Another one that I absolutely am using and loving these days is Metricool. This is a social media content planner and analytics tool. So you can connect your web, your Facebook, your Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, all of your different social media accounts to this tool, and you can plan out all of your content, schedule it out so it looks like it's being published natively on those platforms, and they have a very nice little affiliate program. So if you're using it for your own business, then you can go ahead and share that as well, and you can start earning some commissions from that at the same time. I'll go ahead and make sure I put all of the links to all of these tools below so you can check them out for yourself. You can actually sign up for this one for free and test it out, and you can have a free membership for as long as you want, as long as you're not wanting to schedule more than 30 posts per month. Another tool that I'm using and loving and absolutely loving promoting is called Jasper AI. This is a great tool for anybody who is a blogger or social media marketer. And if you find those people online as you're building your business, you're able to promote these tools to them and you can earn that affiliate commission as long as they remain an active member. So you can see there are a lot of digital tools out there that you can become an affiliate for and share that on social media with an email list, in your reels, in your YouTube shorts, wherever you're building your new online business in 2023. And you can really get started for almost next to nothing. Now, another business that you can start from scratch in 2023 is becoming a course creator. Creating a course or a workshop is a great way for you to teach people that are looking for skills that you already have. So perhaps during your 9 to 5, you are an accountant, or you're really good at a hobby as a gardener, or you're a really good email marketer or writer, whatever it is. You can create a small course or even a live workshop around that in 2023, and people will pay you to learn those skills. So there's a couple things you're probably going to need in order to do that. You're going to need a payment merchant account. I like to use Stripe. You're probably going to want to record those videos and either store them unlisted on YouTube or get a service like Vimeo where you can store them as well so that people can access those videos long term. The benefit to that is that once you record it, if you do it as a live workshop, you can then turn around and continue to sell those recordings at a later date. So you can really get started with this for next to nothing, just sharing the skills and the knowledge that you already have. I would wager a bet if you made a list today of all the things that you know, there's something on that list that you could create a small course or workshop around and start making money this year. Now, let's say you have no audience on social media, so you don't want to become an affiliate marketer, you don't want to create a course, or you're not ready to create a course yet, you don't feel like you have enough skills in any one area to actually start teaching other people how to do that, but you do have some skills or talents that you could provide services to other people and in turn earn income from that, well then this next one is for you. And that's freelance work. So freelancers provide a service or a skill in exchange for being paid. And that freelance work can be long-term, like a virtual assistant, or you might hire the freelancer over and over again, or it could be just a one-off job. And you could start selling your services today on Fiverr. You see they have all these different categories of graphics and design, digital marketing, writing, translation, cover letters, LinkedIn profiles, creative writing, video and animation, music and audio. There are endless opportunities for you to be able to sell your skills on a platform like this where people are already coming and looking for those services. So if you don't have a big audience, if you don't have a social media presence, this might be a great opportunity for you. Another one is also called Upwork. This gets even more advanced in development and IT skills, sales and marketing, administrative and customer support. So there's lots of opportunities for you to provide your freelance services, even if you've absolutely never, ever sold your services or your knowledge to anybody before. Now, if none of those appeal to you, then I've got a fourth option for you, and that's to work for someone else. And I found a great opportunity for you to freelance working for someone else at rev.com. And this is something that I believe anyone could do. You could be a college student, a stay-at-home mom, a retiree, and still you could earn money almost instantly by partnering with rev.com. Now, Rev has a freelance program that allows you to work from anywhere. And what you're doing is you are transcribing audios and videos and creating those transcription reports, and you're being paid anywhere from 30 cents a minute to $1.10 a minute. And I looked up some research on this, and the average person can transcribe anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes of audio per hour. So you could potentially be earning $30 an hour at home in your free time, not required to clock in on anybody else's schedule, but just able to earn some money when you have the time to work. Now, if you know a foreign language, it gets even better because you can write subtitles for $1.50 to $3 per audio video minute. So this is a great opportunity for anybody to start a business completely from scratch, and they pay out weekly. So if you work 1 week, you're going to receive that income the following week. Now, all of these first 4 ideas have been very active income. You have to work and you have to put in the effort in exchange for the income. Now, some of them, like affiliate marketing with digital tools and resources, can become more passive over time. They can become more residual over time, but in the beginning, you're going to have to do some upfront work to build out an audience, to be sharing those links and those products, or creating the courses, or actually working for someone else, doing freelancing, or working for a company like Rev. Now, another opportunity is network marketing. Network marketing gets a bad rap in a lot of circles. I know, because people are like, I'm sick and tired of being sold lotions and potions and pills. However, there are network marketing companies out there where you don't have to buy any products and you don't have to sell any physical products to people in order to earn money. And some of them can be free to very low cost to start. One of my favorites that I'll go ahead and drop the link to below is called Nexus Rewards. Now, this program is one of those very inexpensive programs to start. It's $31.95 to get started. And you are able to actually use this program to save money on purchases you're already making. So gasoline, groceries, dining, travel, apparel, improvements. You can even submit your bills for bill reduction. You can get low-cost prescriptions. So there's a lot of opportunities with this program where as soon as you make that initial investment, you're able to save so much more. And then when you share this program with others, you earn a commission for everybody else who signs up to get these savings. So they don't have to buy any physical products. It's like a Costco membership. They're paying a membership fee to get additional savings. And every time you share that with other people, you're going to earn that residual income as long as they stay active in the program. This means that you could be earning potentially hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month based on how much you share the opportunity with others. And so your monthly membership fee shouldn't actually ever cost you anything. So this is one of my favorite programs that I've found, because as you share it with people and they share it with people, your residual income has the potential to grow. So yes, this is one of those combos where you have to do some active marketing and some active work up front, but it can become a very passive income eventually on the back end, rewarding you for your efforts. Now, the last two that I'm going to share with you are truly passive income, but they require investing money upfront in order to get that passive income. And so the first one I'm going to talk about is real estate investments. Now, a lot of people shy away from real estate because they think, well, I don't have tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy and flip houses or hold on to them, or I don't want to rent properties out or run an Airbnb. And so that's why I love this company that I found called Here.co. So this allows you to invest in vacation rentals like stocks. So you can actually invest as little as $100 into the properties that Here is going out and purchasing, and then they will continue to rent out those properties as Airbnbs and rental vacation properties, and you're going to earn a percentage of those profits each and every year on the property. You're also going to be earning the appreciation value as well. So it gives you a way to take a smaller amount of money with no required skills in buying or selling properties or property management and still be able to earn a passive income on the back end. Like I said, it takes investment. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not to be taken as financial advice, only entertainment, but this is something that I found this past year that I'm really enjoying. And the last and final one is crypto and stocks. And we all know that crypto has been seeing a very, very tumultuous past few months. However, if you have the risk tolerance and you're using money that you can afford to lose in case things go south, crypto and stocks can be a great way for you to make investments that can pay you very passively. Again, I'm not giving you any financial advice. I'm not going to share any of the cryptos or any of the stocks that I'm invested in. I simply hope that this video helps you to think about all the different ways that you could start a business from scratch in 2023. If you like this type of content, I hope you subscribe to this channel, and I'll put all those links below and see you in the next video.